And joining us in studio this morning, Ms. Jennifer Smith and Ms. Joann Lopez from the Chaves County Health Council. How are y'all doing this morning?
Good.
Excellent. Thank
Good.
you.
Good to hear it. Good to hear it. You are on that one, I believe. Try now?
Excellent.
Okay, now. There we go. We win. See, I'm telling you, woefully underprepared, man. He never leaves me on this side of the board. I actually need a refresher course in this side of things. But how are you guys doing today?
We're doing really well.
Doing well.
Keeping cool. We've entered the hot half of the summertime season.
My goodness. And with our hot
Staying
half.
inside.
The hot 3/4
Oh, my
of summer, and then
goodness.
some spring too. Yeah, it's a bad time for your air conditioner in your car to go out. That happened to me
Absolutely.
last week.
Oh, no.
Yeah, well, it's the old 440, 4 windows down, 40 miles an hour. Yeah, cops love that, by the way.
That's
They
horrible.
really, really do.
No.
So, obviously, summertime coming to a close pretty quickly. Back to school season. Way early this year. It's like August
4th, school starts.
That's crazy.
Yes, it is.
I mean, I know we got to cram the days in, but boy, that seems early. But yeah, so back to school season is right around the corner, and with it comes health fair season.
Absolutely.
Yes.
So, we ready? Are we geared up for it?
Yeah, we're getting there. We've gotten people signed up. We're going to start planning everything out and buying all the goodies to give away, and
Just
getting
talking
ready.
about back to school, at the health fair,
Sure.
at the health expo, we are going to be giving out backpacks for
Awesome.
school-age children.
Excellent,
So,
excellent. So for those who don't know, the Chaves County Health Council every year holds a gigantic health expo at the end of summer. What day is it this year?
August 6th.
August 6th. Oh, yeah, one day before my birthday. Look at that. So, happy birthday. You guys are throwing me an expo. Nice.
There you go.
But lots and lots of great information, lots of resources available to folks, and all that stuff is going to be talked about. So let's talk about some of the stuff that's going to be at the expo, some stuff that people can expect, some stuff returning, maybe some new surprises.
Okay, so the fun thing that I know Mike loves
Yes, I'm a fan myself.
is we've got the walkthrough colon
Of
coming
course,
back.
you got to bring back
So,
the giant colon.
Yes. UNM is coming back, and they're bringing their walkthrough colon. So
Nice.
that's going to be very prominent at the expo. But we're also doing a lot of giveaways. Western Sky is providing 250 backpacks. And so we're going to have more than that because we're having all booth vendors bring backpacks as
Oh,
well.
cool. Very cool.
So there's going to be over 250 backpacks
Okay.
that we're giving out for free. You do have to bring your kid. We need to see a child.
Oh, so it's a trade? We give you our child, give it a backpack. That sounds great.
No.
That sounds awesome.
We view the
Parents,
child
sign
and
up.
give the backpack to the child.
We
We're
assess
not taking the kid.
Fair enough.
How funny.
Fair enough. I've been trying for years. Nobody seems to want to take it. But that's awesome. So and now backpacks with supplies
Yes.
or awesome? Very
Yes,
cool.
with
Yes.
standard school supplies.
Okay.
So if you're not able to get your kid a backpack, don't worry about it. You'll get it a couple days into school.
Absolutely.
There you
Yeah.
go.
And those are going to be first come, first serve. So you need to be there 8 a.m. to
Yep.
get your backpack.
Get
because
there early.
in the past, they've gone within an hour.
Yeah.
So
Absolutely. Yeah, when parents hear the idea of free backpacks, we don't care how early it is. Kids, get up! We're eating Pop-Tarts this morning. Get your shoes on. Yeah, so.
Yep. And we also have Olympian Beauty College
Oh, very
is
cool.
going to be there, and they're providing 100 haircut coupons, so you
Nice.
can get a free haircut for back to school.
Excellent.
And it's for, I think it's for 5 through 18 years old.
So that's a coupon for the haircut. You take that and they'll cut.
Yes,
Yes.
you have to go over there.
Yeah.
Yeah, you got to go up to the mall to get
And
cut.
Yes.
again, that's first
Yeah, they're
come,
not
first
going to
serve.
cut right there.
Right.
But you'll get a coupon for a free haircut from Olympian Beauty
I feel
College.
like that would be a great experience for the students. I mean, you're going to have to get used to working in a salon setting. So, it's busy. There's like a health expo happening around behind you, Get behind and tight. Let's work that in next year, I think.
We might try that.
Absolutely. Well, very cool. Very cool. So lots of stuff for parents to get the kids ready for back to school. There's obviously the prep time starts now. If you're if you have school age kids, now's the time. I was actually thinking about it. I started the process last year. My son is going to be pre-K age as of the start of this school year. So yeah, we're not ready. I haven't even gotten a call back from the school I'm trying to enroll him in. I forgot. See, here's the problem. The first time I went through the process was with my daughter, Rhiannon, and we had a lot of help. because she's on the spectrum. So we kind of had a handhold through the whole process. I've told people that with my son, I'm like a first-time father all over again. It's a very new process.
Absolutely.
So I'm kind of learning right along with everybody else. But lots of help there at the Health Expo, and that is right after the start of school. So I miss you can send your kids to school in a couple grocery bags for the first couple of days. Honestly, as long as they've got like one notebook and a pen or a pencil, I think they're going to be
the
fine.
first few days are usually taking notes of what you're going to be needing and
handing
stuff.
out syllabi. I believe the plural of it is. So so awesome. So lots of stuff for school kids, but that's not the end of the Health Expo because obviously it's all about health.
It's health and wellness.
Absolutely. And you guys cover folks from head to toe.
Yes.
Absolutely.
So let's talk about some of those services.
We're going to have a mobile mammogram bus at
Nice.
the expo. They're going to be doing mammograms from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. So they're going to be there even after the health expo is finished so that they can get as many people as possible.
Awesome.
If you've got insurance, they take insurance.
Okay.
But if you do not have insurance, we received a very generous grant from United Way of Chaves County to
Awesome.
cover mammograms for those that don't have insurance.
It's absolutely vital. And I wasn't recently didn't they lower the age the youngest age that you're supposed to be getting checks?
Well, I'm not sure, but I know that for this mobile mammogram bus, you've got to be 40 years old.
40 years old. Okay.
And not have had a mammogram in the last year.
Okay. But absolutely a vital service. And if you haven't had one yet, if you're at that age now and you're definitely ready to cross over and take that step, then this is that service is going to be there for you.
And we've heard that a lot of people are having a hard time getting in for mammograms locally.
Sure.
So this is going to be a really good opportunity to
I've noticed
take
for
advantage.
Pretty much anything getting in, like for any kind of medical, like a doctor's office, an eye exam, they're booking months out now. And I think it's just kind of post pandemic. Everybody's like, oh, we can go back to the doctor now. Okay, cool.
Right.
Yeah, so we're kind of getting back to normal. But this Health Expo, great place to start.
Yeah, and we're going to have some screening services there too. So
Okay.
the hospital's going to be there. Eastern New Mexico Medical Center, they're going to have 10 booths.
Okay.
And they're going to have different screenings for each booth. And we've also got Chimera Independent Physicians going to be there.
Okay.
Some of the other, medical places that are going to be there. Blue Cross Blue Shield, I think, is going to be there doing some stuff in their caravan. So they're going to do, vision screenings and things
Obviously,
like
all
that. Blood pressures.
generalized screenings just to see
Yes,
kind of to get a
throughout.
baseline of where you're at. Check your BMI. Maybe see how you're hearing. You got like a drill instructor like screaming at you just to see if you can
Make
hear
sure
him.
you can hear them.
Yeah,
well.
exactly. I can actually test too because you can also check your resistance. If you get the spit on the face, you're like, oh, okay. Sense of touch is great too.
We never thought of that one, but
Yeah, little things, but obviously all just general screenings to kind of give you a base, and then you can go from there.
Yes.
And a lot of and this is important too because a lot of folks, and this has actually come up recently with myself when someone asks, "Who's your doctor?" It was that moment I realized I was supposed to have a doctor.
Right.
Like I was like, I don't have an answer to that. I guess the last time I had a doctor was my family's doctor, which was Dr. Pignon, but he's still here,
Yeah,
right?
he's still-
Okay, so that's my doctor. Cool. Right on. But for folks like me who don't generally put health in the front seat,
Yeah.
this is a good opportunity to maybe take those steps.
Yeah, you could shop around and see what doctors there are in our area and find one that'll be a good fit for you.
Sure, a chance to get a lot of great information. Like you said, generalized screenings, and just a good place to get a start. So that's-
Absolutely. And if you want to donate blood, we are going to have us out there for blood donations.
Awesome,
Also.
very cool. So Vitalent will be on hand to accept blood donations, and that's vital right now, Vitalent, because blood always at a low in the summertime season, but especially right now we are at critical levels. So if you can make a blood donation, it would be much appreciated. Plus, I think they're doing T-shirts right now. So
Oh, that's awesome.
Right?
I might go out there.
heck yeah!
Well, I've got a rare blood type, so it's very rare that they need mine.
Can I ask?
I don't have my card with me. I don't
Okay.
remember. It's an AB negative. I
AB
think it
negative.
is.
So do you have the RF exception?
No.
The reason okay.
No,
See,
no.
so the reason I asked my kid's mom had the RF exception. We had to get RhoGAM shot after we miscarried our first child. in order to bring Rhiannon to term, we had to do the Rogram shot. Hunter the same way was the Rogram. So, but yeah, she's brought up the fact that she has an alien blood type, and basically they beg her for it every chance she gets. So.
Yes, I'm one of those alien blood type
really?
people too. Yeah.
Very awesome.
Oh my gosh.
The other thing is, if you go donate blood, they will tell you your blood type.
Yes. Yeah, if you're not sure, that's the perfect way to find
I always
out.
carried my card with me, so I never really am asked.
Right. So obviously we're getting close to the time, but is there still space available?
We do have a few booth spaces available.
Okay.
So if you waited too long, you can get with us and we'll work something out.
General requirements. I mean, you need to have something that's relatively health focused, correct?
Yeah, health, wellness. We think, medical.
Okay. It's like
holistic.
tattoo parlor, probably not a go.
No, holistic. we were actually looking to see if we could get some gyms involved.
Okay.
Because that falls in the wellness category.
Absolutely. So yeah, if you're
we have a really broad definition of health and wellness.
Yeah. It does. It covers a lot of a lot of paths, and it could start with for some folks the tummy teas, and it goes all the way up to some more holistic things, and then there's generalized healthcare. So it's absolutely important. So if folks do want more information, if they want to maybe get one of those last booth spaces, how do they find you?
They could email Joann at Chaves County Health Council at outlook.com.
Okay.
They could find us on Facebook, and they can send a quick message, and we can send them anything that they need.
They can call me at 575-500-2294 or dial 211, and the 211 phone will answer, and they can talk to me there.
There you go. So you guys start prepping for this pretty much like the day after the last year's Expo. I mean, it's an arduous process to go through.
Yeah, we start heavy planning February, March timeframe every year. So we gives ourselves about a good 6 months.
Sure. And that seems to be a nice window of time to kind of get everything prepped and planned. And but it just lets you know there's a lot of different aspects that go into this. A lot of hands that make the casserole work, so to speak. So yeah, big thanks to those folks. Anybody, any specific folks that you want to thank?
Oh yeah, we want to thank Bewitches. So Carrie's usually here with us, but she's not today. She is our poster graphics guru. She's the one that gets us in line, getting all of our marketing materials and promotion and any of the neat little graphics that you see come along with Health Expo. That's all Carrie.
She's the creative side.
Yes, she is fantastic. We'd be nowhere without her with this expo. There's character counts. They're the fiscal agent for the Health Council, and so they support us behind the scenes. Eastern New Mexico Medical Center, every year that we've done this, they've been the first on board. They've been our very first sponsor every single year. They don't hesitate to back us up. Humana, they jumped on really quick this year, so we're very appreciative of them. The Boys and Girls Club, they're hosting the run this year.
Oh, very
so go onto our Facebook page or the Boys and Girls Club Facebook page and sign up for their fun run.
Yes.
It's 80s themed, so you come in your best 80s gear and go have some fun.
Let me just put this into perspective here. You could Rickroll an entire group of people if you just show up as Rick Astley and just dance the whole way down.
Yes.
You could Rickroll an entire community.
Absolutely.
There you go.
And that would be the funniest thing ever.
I think so. Or show up as one member of Oingo Boingo. I don't even know. That's like the most obscure 80s band I could think of.
I bet you'd be on TV.
Right? Show up with a wolf, a hungry wolf.
Oh, that would be nice.
And then just hang like a steak and be like, oh, we're doing Duran Duran. Very cool. So yeah.
Well, if you sign up now for the run, you get a free shirt with your entry.
Very
and
cool.
All the money that is going towards the run is going directly to the Boys and Girls Club.
Awesome.
This is a fundraiser for them. Chaves County CASA, they've been hosting our meetings at their office.
Oh, really? Okay.
Every other week and starting weekly now. So they've been allowing us to use their space.
Very cool.
We've got Western Sky Community Care. They're providing the backpacks for the expo.
Awesome.
It's already been delivered and taking up our entire health council office.
Don't you love
with
that?
A bunch of backpacks.
Just a room full of happiness.
But we appreciate it so much because, that's
sure.
250 kids that are going to get free backpacks.
Absolutely.
Yeah,
Olympian Beauty College. I'm not exactly sure if that's the exact name.
I believe it's Olympian Beauty Academy, I believe.
So the beauty college out out at the mall. They're providing 100 free haircuts for the
cool.
expo to give out to all the kids. And Chimera Independent Physicians, they're a big sponsor for us as well.
Yes, awesome. Big thanks to all the folks that helped make it happen. But yeah, make sure to plan for August 6th to come out to the Health Expo. It's going to be once again at the Roswell Convention Civic Center. Yes. So set up right there inside, absolutely free.
Absolutely.
So
Everything is free.
100% free. Come on out. This is a great chance to, like we said, get kind of a base to start things off, or just to get a refresher to see where you're at. And like you said, the walkthrough colon going to be back. I'm very excited. Now, I've been pitching this for years. I think I have a twist so we can make this happen, because it was the Polyp Pillow Palace. But I'm thinking this year we have somebody sponsor a polyp pillow fight.
Oh, Lord.
Right?
Lord.
2 teams, we could do it dodgeball style. 2 teams with like polyp pillows, and they just huck them at each other. Okay, maybe not. Maybe we save this for next year. A little more creativity has to be put in. Yeah. But there you go. So lots of fun to be had, and lots of great info to be had out there at the Health Expo as well. Once again, August 6th at the Roswell Convention and Civic Center. And just once again, you guys have been putting this together for years and doing an amazing job doing it. So we really appreciate all the work you guys put into it.
And let us throw out there, registration begins at
6:30.
At 6:30, okay.
And the run starts at 7 a.m.
Okay.
We want everybody to be able to go and participate in the run, and then
makes sense. And that's and you get it done before it's
it's 120 degrees.
Before it's just liquid death outside.
Yes, we don't want to have to recruit everybody that's at the expo to go take care of people passing out.
Although I could argue that if you guys have a fun run in the dead middle of the day, you'll be cool, and those runners will be nice and cool, because they'll be cooled off the same way I was cooled yesterday driving 440, 4 windows down, 40 miles an hour. You just got to hit a certain speed and let the wind do the rest of the work. Once again, if folks want to reach out, want more information, how do they find you?
Facebook is very easy. Just find us, Chaves County Health Council. You can email at chaviscountyhealthcouncil@outlook.com.
Awesome.
And
you can call 575-500-2294 or easily dial 211. Nice. The 211 operator will answer, and you can get connected to Joann.
There you go. Simple as that. 211. Find them on Facebook. Coming up August 6th, Convention Civic Center. Let's make it happen. Ladies, thank you so much for your time. We appreciate having you here. 32 minutes after 9 o'clock.